world is changing, and it's changing in probably three ways. People are changing. People now want to interact in different ways. Younger generation coming into the workplace really does change things. So people are changing. The places that they want to interact in, they want to be more collaborative in. They're changing from large formal spaces to small spaces. And the way they use them is changing as well. So the way they use them is much more ad hoc. They want to go into a room, use it, come out 10 minutes later. So that's changing things, and also technology is changing them as well. So technology is changing the rooms because it's becoming much more IP-based, much more software-based solutions that people are using. I think what's happening in the world where Anixter can help is that companies want different solutions, and we're happy to provide a wide variety of solutions for them. But one of the biggest challenges for end users and integrators is how to change these spaces in a very quick way, in a very scalable, repeatable fashion. And that's where Anixter comes in. Anixter's solution is to take all those products, bundle them up, and help integrators and end users deploy them in a very repeatable way across the globe. But it's the way you use it and the way you kit that room out makes it flexible, and the technology allows you to do that. And that's the way that customers want to use that technology now. They want it to be really flexible. The technologies that help in change mainly is IP. IP is changing the world that we live in, not just in the connected rooms and the connected spaces, but it's changing everything with the Internet of Things. And what we're seeing is those systems become very, very flexible, so that allows people to do different things with the same technology. You've got to walk into a room and be able to connect very, very simply. We call it, it's got to be CEO proofed. You've got to have probably the one person in the organisation that doesn't use technology every day to be able to go and plug in and be working straight away without any delay. You need to plan these things out, and I think what a lot of customers are struggling with is the rapidity of how quickly they have to deploy these solutions. And it's going to happen. Most spaces at the moment are audio only, or maybe audio and a screen. And the way that we're going to build these spaces going forward, where they need to be built, is you need to have a scalable, repeatable process in place to be able to do it very quickly and efficiently. It's an amazing industry. And it's because it's audio and visual. It's very, very interactive. You get very close to the solutions, and the way that people use those solutions, they do it without even knowing what's behind it, and that's the really interesting thing.